Get ready for an incredible gaming adventure. Building the Ryzen 7 7800X3D and RTX 4070 Super Gaming PC will transform your experience. The Ryzen 7 7800X3D delivers amazing multi-core performance, ensuring smooth gameplay and quick load times. Coupled with the RTX 4070 Super, you'll enjoy breathtaking graphics that make every game immersive. Let's explore the components. The motherboard is essential for stability, so pick one that meets your needs. And don't overlook the RAM. 32GB is ideal for effortless multitasking. Cooling is vital too. High-performance parts can get hot, so consider liquid cooling to keep things chill. For storage, an NVMe SSD boosts speed dramatically. Imagine launching your games in seconds. Lastly, let's not forget style. RGB lighting can enhance your setup's appearance. This build will impress with its power and looks. It's time to unleash the beast. Remember to subscribe and comment below.